rud nua é nach bfuil déanta ag éon connacht déna in éiring.
Bhí muid faoi bhrú millteanach. Bhí. Churmuid á teile le chéile istí go trí heachtain, agus an sin dagmuid ar leatíomh ad go raibh ag obair ar an tríal ar feadh caiiciise. So ar feadh an caiiciise sin, ní acha muid á teile go dtí an dé deire, agus an sin bhí ar an é chur arás le chéile, agus muid fós ag obair ar an tríal.
Tá go leor dúfán na bant le duna rárám a difriúil. Tá hanga difriúil, agus ní bháin gaeilg béarla is béarla Shakespeare tán, so bíon ar súdaí ólam focail a rocail, mar tá bailach faoi le go gatha tú a rá, agus ní cleachta ang ar sin. Bíon choilthart go thomlan na aithriú, so tá go leor dúfán an.
My name is Rod Goodall and I'm the director. I also adapted it from the original length to 59-minute version, which is what we're playing at the moment, with 4 actors doing both shows, so they had to be competent in Irish and competent in some way in English, in Shakespeare. Now, some of them have never done Shakespeare before, which is great. I had to decide which actors were going to be masked and which weren't, so I knew that Othello has to play Rodrigo, there's no other way. I knew that Desdemona had to play Bianca, no other way, and she also had to play Montano, a man, and same with Cassio, with Grania Bleasdale. She's playing, Emilia, the woman, but she's also playing Brabantio, Desdemona's father, and she's playing Cassio, who's Othello's right-hand man.
Desmona níl éon measc gceist atá sí níos éasca ag aisteoireacht just de chéin ach tá glór dúsláán a gceist freisin agus tá na aithrithe tá glór aithrithe aniscopa so caithfidh tú just a bheith ar an ball mar deartha.
Is dúgus an simúlé. Tá sé an deasta bheith ag athrú ó fear go bhean, ó buachail go seanár. I Othello tá mé am a thomáint i Cathair Rutha. Tá an chuid ag fiddle in san dáseo. Tá sé an sprágúil a bheith aisteoireacht mar sin.
They know about mask work. We did a little bit of mask work, not much, but they themselves are aware of how to use masks, and obviously they're an excellent way of instantly putting on a character. Same with on trio.
Fiúan na búthra bhí am héin ná fiúan ról fearrí in Othello. Tá canúnsaí difriúil, tá teanga difriúil a gceist, tá fiúan nach chuí heasan me tá páirt amháin gúil arm a bheith canna gur fearrma, gúil measc arm, gúil me duna rud canúns túisceirteach agus tá mo chuigeann beag nach measc ar fad agus tá me beag an cuiachtas sa ráir céanna tá neiread brúar mar sin ach le cleachta tá an rudí le chéile. Bhí muid cinál áras a faoin gaí amach muid an sete euro hímpol agus chuir dhéana in am.
Tá kind of clas a going leis an set agus casan sé, so ní thóg sé ach faoi leabhar a clé chun é a athrú ó léarcháin amháin go dtíon léarcháin eile.
The two directors are trying to get the best out of you, basically, but they just have a different approach. Rod is very intense at times and works you very, very hard and wants to get the best out of you. And on the other hand, Brendan is quite laid back in a sense, and he's quite positive in his energy and his methods. So the two guys are different, but it's in a very, very, very positive way, you know.
The actors, I have colossal praise for the actors, because not only are they taking on these 2 shows, but I mean, if you just take the one show at a time, there's so much work, there's so much to remember, there's so many fast changes.
You know, caithú beocht de chur an státe agus an scéile churchan chin agus sin an rud is tábhachtaí agus go maith, you know, go maith sprí gceist freisin.
Ach, tá an éireann an galgóireach bhí crack ann agus bhí muid sásta bheith ag obair a chéile.
Le fuair an beag tá muid rilí ag déanamh rud an mór.